Hello, me again. Got my dress on the day for temu. Awfully comfy. 2 packages here today. I saw in Just Joanne's post that she bought some pillows. I never thought I'd found pillows for there, so I might have to give it a go. So let's see. Oh, this might be a clock mechanism, which I don't then think is from Temu. It's a clock case that I've built. I'll show you that when I've finished. I made an absolute boo-boo. I ordered it for if it isn't, it's for a company called Redrooster. And then I was paying it with card, Google Pay, and just at the last minute, I must have bought them for somewhere else, something else for them. Just at the last minute, as the payment went through, it was an address that had been at three houses ago. Went through it, so I went into an absolute panic because this was quite expensive. So I emailed straight away. I emailed the guy, never got a reply straight away. But then I phoned the next day. I went on to, oh, he's put hands in that on. That's good. Oh, I didn't know he got hands. That's nice, actually. I don't know if this will actually fit. Oh, wee pendulum. So this is for a company called Redrooster in the UK that do German, I think it's German engineered clock mechanisms. Because I will fix the one that's in the clock at the moment. This might be actually too big. But it'll get used anyway. These are kind of nasty, these will take your fingers off, but that's actually really nice. Right, so that's, your hands goes on there. Once, it's a chiming clock, it's no a Westminster chime, it just striking movement, that's what it is. Well, I didn't actually expect that because I thought I had to buy that separately. You started again every time I try to record. What are you looking for? Are you there? It's a wee bit dented. But it's not the one I want to use anyway, so so that would sit in there. And obviously your face goes on the front of that. In fact, I seen the face there. Is that me? Will that work? Let's see. Alright, okay, so that must go that way. I don't think this will fit. It's not gonna fit. Oh, fluff. Oh, never mind. Guess what? There's a quartz skin in that. Because it doesn't fit. Oh well. I'll just need to build a clock case to fit this one. Never mind. It's a lovely movement. It's just, I wasn't expecting that, so that's a wee bit dented, but do you know what? I'm actually really quite pleased with what I got. And as usual, it'll no go in the box. Oh, the key's there as well. Well, that's really good. Cookies. Oh aye, because there'll be one for the chime. And 2 sets of hands. That's really nice. Pleased with that. It's not going to fit what I'm doing, but never mind. We'll just have to do another one. So I thought that was going to be for Tina, but never mind. So it's a quartz movement to skin in the one I'm doing. Oh, do you know what? Never mind. I'm only getting judged. Oh, that's right. I ordered cardigans. I like my cardigans, and I don't actually have that many. So, cardigans and what's it done? I've seen these on TikTok. Shiva. Alright. They get, I'm not that particularly hairy, so ooh, that's quite dinky. What's a wee USB charger? Oh, that's dead cute. Oh, so if it works. Right, so here's my cardigan. That feels nice. I like to put it in the tumble dryer, but it feels nice. I can see this getting a lot of use because it's really nice. It's really soft. Button details are nice as well. Look. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh, nice and warm. Lovely. Look at that. Yes, I like that. Probably like everybody in the children's got one, but never mind. Because there's 8 shops left. I even saw Blonde Marshy up for a shop with Blonde Marshy's in, up for rent, so I dare say that'll be gone at some point. Aye. Cheers. I don't know. It's £4. I like Sam Ryder. And either something like this. I was like going to... The notion I had in my head I was going to crochet myself. Now one time I would have done. Quite personally can't be bothered these days. Because it's $3.50. Oh crikey, the two of them are here. Hello, Inky. You come to join in the fun? I take it you think you found something. Right, just you make a mess. Go for it. I take it you want to go. Are you back again? Hello, Inky. I think we'll give her a choice. Oh! Sorry, Mog.
You'll get punched.
You're living dangerously. Let's try to steal. Oh, that's it. Right, that'll do. Well, as you can see, I'm wearing my cardigan because it is extremely comfortable. This wee thing off TikTok, I am utterly surprised because it is so light. No. Did I say TikTok? Temu. This wee shaver. Came charged. USB thing. Now, I was always kind of dubious about anything that charged away a USB because I always thought that I bought a coffee grinder a few years back. Breville as well, it was now like, where did I buy it? Tesco, I think it was. I think it worked once. It never really worked ever again. And I couldn't be bothered taking it back. But it was quite expensive actually. I got it to take to work with me. Because I quite like a filter coffee, but it was absolute utter rubbish. Anyway, isn't it charged with USB after that? I was really quite dubious. Thank you. But this, for all it weighs, does an absolutely marvellous job. I've just done under my arms and I'm really quite pleased with the result. Who knew? My cardigan's nice and comfy, and my other one, my Sam Rider, the crochet. My sister had a crochet dress, decades ago, a white one. We got Berrington Tweed, I think it was, we bought it, and she was absolutely stunning in it. I'd have looked like a bag of potatoes, but and my wee frog thing from my plant. The wine glass has disappeared. I don't know why they put the wine glass loose. It's just if I touched it, and then that way, I don't know what's happened to it. One of my cats has possibly decided it was a good idea to play with it or something. So anyway, I've been out the day in the sun. My face is dry, so I'm going to put some of my serum stuff on once I wash my face, and I'll see you another time. Bye. There's my little drunk frog. My wee daffodils, they lasted lovely, but they're down black. But I've got seeds in here as well, so hopefully they'll start coming up. I love my wee frog. He's so cute.